So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are leveling up whatever in this pet pod, guys. So let's go. Let's open it. And a pig, uncommon and lazy. So we're gonna level it up, guys. So come on. First we are gonna do a race, guys. So let's go. Oh, I made a wrong move. Let's get our skateboard. First we are gonna go. Maybe first in the pizza. Let's go. Start. Let's go, guys. So we are going now, guys. So okay, let's go. Give this to him. And in the top. Why it's in the top, guys? Oh, faster and jump. I drift, guys. Hello, girl. Oh no, I almost fell, guys. Where is she? Let's go. Go! We are too slow, guys. So we had 333 and oh, this is so let's claim it, guys. Sorry about the delay. My mom called me. So sorry. So this time we are gonna race. So let's go. So, go into the arcade and race. Let's go. So let's go. Waiting for players. Bye-bye, pig. I'm gonna level you up. So let's go, guys. Start. Oh, we are so many, guys. Guys, I forgot to say. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell button if you want to. If you want to get an update that I post a new YouTube video. So it's for you guys. So we are racing now. Jump. Oh, they can catch me, guys. Guys, if I got first place, subscribe. Like the video and subscribe, guys. So you can support me. Oh no. Oh, I fall. That's okay. Oh no. I'm not gonna get the first place. No. I want to be the first place, guys. Here, I can beat him. The bomb. Hey, guys. Slide. Okay. Let's jump. We are too slow, guys. Oh no, I just got okay. If I don't get the first place, you are gonna like the video. But if I'm gonna get the first place, you are gonna subscribe the video, guys. If I got the first place, you will subscribe. Okay, that's the deal. I'm not. Oh, I'm second. So like the video, guys, because That's our view. So that's it. So we level up. See that? It's so fast, guys. We even have 750 points. Here's the first place. Ami is the first place. So guys, where are we gonna do? Oh, where? We're gonna go in the XD race. I forgot. Oh man. So let's wait, guys. Okay. Start, guys. Hey guys, let's just wait. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, he's the first. Yes. Ami, I will beat you, Ami. This time, guys. The deal earlier, that's the deal. Our deal earlier, guys. If you remember it, if I got the first place, you are gonna subscribe. But if I got the second place, you are not gonna subscribe, guys, right? That's the deal. So let's go. Oh no, they are catching, guys. We did fast, guys. Let's go. We are too slow, guys. Too slow, guys. We need faster. We stood up. They're so fast now, guys. So we need to keep our 500% of the good and 1% of the bad driver. We need 5,000% of the good driver, guys. So we don't fall. Oh, no. And that's just a joke, guys. So we got the first place too. So you are gonna subscribe this video right now. What are you waiting for, guys? Do it. So, oh, we also got a 2-gen. Oh, guys, we are the first place. Subscribe now, guys. Subscribe. Dance first. Dance, dance. See that, guys? That's my moves. So let's go. So we are gonna play again, which is much faster, guys, to level up your pet. So if you want to level up your pet faster, guys, you will go in the XD race, guys. So that's all. Not in the pizza shop. The pizza shop is too slow to level up your pet, guys, and only low coins. They will give you low coins, guys. That's not nice. Wow, there are so many, guys. Wow. I passed him, guys. Wait. This girl, guys. Yes. Slimy. Look faster, guys. Oh no, he is not in my back. Oh no, guys. Slime. Oh, he just. Oh. Oh, he fell, guys. Maybe we're gonna get a first place. Maybe we're gonna get so fast right now, guys. Hello, this is it. Oh, I hate this. Oh, he got stuck on my slime, guys. It worked, guys. My slime worked. Another slime. Jump! Yes. Oh, I see that. We're level 3. We're gonna level up our pet, guys. Let's go. Level up our pet. So let's go, guys. Oh, wait. Let's just level up him first. Wow, he is a nice pig. And we are gonna buy. No, not gonna buy. He wants to drink water, so let's go. Let's give him a water, guys. He is a pig. She has a big tummy, guys. So he is thirsty so quickly. He is thirsty too quickly. He is gonna get thirsty. Faster. Where's the water? Where's the water? Not here. Right here. Drink water, drink water, drink water. It's so cute. So he leveled up, guys. Oh, wait. No, later, guys. Just later. Later. We need 15 gems. No, we don't need 15 gems. We need more gems to buy that thing that I want. But it's a secret, guys. If you want me to buy that, 500 subscribers first, I will buy that. So let's get mates. Bye, Piggy. And guys, comment down below what should we name of our pet pig, guys. Comment. So let's go. Oh no. We're gonna get the 3rd place, guys. See that, the red hair in that blue horse thing, guys? They are so fast. Their go-kart is so fast, guys. I cannot beat them. Maybe I can beat them. Oh no. See, guys? Oh no. I thought he stopped. See, guys, I told you I'm gonna get the 3rd place because they are so fast. I cannot catch them. See? They are so fast. I didn't even get a mystery power thing on my go-kart. Oh no. Let's go faster. That horse thing is the first. He is so fast, guys. So we are gonna get the 1st place. We need to get the 1st place. But guys, there's no chance I'm gonna get the first place because the horse thing is already right in the finish line, guys. We cannot catch it. Oh! I need to catch the ball. Oh. I need to catch that. What is that? Oh! Someone beat the horse thing, guys. Oh, that horse is just a noob. Like me, I'm a noob. Yep. Okay, we're ready for our pet. So, we got 750 coins. No, please. Oh, look. That's me. That's me. You are 312. Haha. And I got the third place. Oh, anyway, I got the third place. I in the fourth. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. My phone just lagged. So guys, let's just wait. Oh, I thought the game started. It's so low. Oh, that girl is in the last place. In the behind. Okay, guys. Horn. Yes, I horn. Yes, I use my horn again. Horn. I want the horn. I like it. Yes, I saved myself from falling. Faster, guys. Slow. You are so slow, guys. How you get away so slow? Not in this place. This one is wide. Oh, God. Let's get I lost the first place, guys. Oh no. I'm gonna get the first place, but he is when I drift, he right go in front of you guys. Oh no. Oh, he is not going to get the first place. No, I'm just so confused, guys. Oh, I bet I will win that if I don't drift, guys. If I don't drift. There's no need to drift like, oh no. He is need to take a bath. And let's go in and give them a bath in that pet shop, guys. Faster. Oh, 13 pieces of furniture. Furniture. Well done. Thank you. I'm level 5 now, guys. I have to tell something. Something that's important. So guys, let's give him a bath. The pigs really need a bath because they always play in the mud, guys. Right? But this pig don't play in the mud. So let's just go right here. Let's work in the pizza shop again. So let's go in there. My phone just locked, guys. I'm so sorry. It's so slow. Okay. Look at me. I'm so handsome. Like in the real life, guys. I'm just joking, guys. In the real life, I look like a dead squirrel. So that's why jump. Good thing my skateboard didn't break right there. That's a big jump, guys. I can't wait to level up our pet. First, we're gonna go to the pet shop. Oh no. So let's go, guys. So let's level up our pig. Wow, she is too big, guys. So first, we're gonna buy a pet pod, guys. This. We're gonna buy it. It's so slow. My signal is too slow, guys. An error occurred while processing your purchase. Please try again later. Error none. Why? I'm gonna buy this. We need a pet pod, guys. My signal, it's so not. Okay. So guys, in the next video, I forgot the important I've been saying of all of this video. We are level 5, guys, so we can trade our pets. So in the next video, we are playing Roblox, guys. So bye-bye. First, we are gonna get a selfie. Let's go. Two. Oh, wait, guys. So, okay. So, goodbye, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.